Do you know what time it is? Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper. Just kidding, it's Mrs. Smith filling in for Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of February 4th, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. Our next open house will be this Saturday, February 5th. 10 o'clock at the elementary campus and 11 o'clock at the secondary campus. Please tell any friends or neighbors that might be interested in attending. Save the date for our next Atlantis Gateway Family Night, Thursday, February 10th at 6 o'clock. Atlantis Gateway is located at 3100 Jog Road in Green Acres. Admission is $10 cash only per person and includes your admission and skates. Come join in on the fun. I'll be there. Both campuses are selling Valentine's Day wood roses. These beautiful roses are extremely lifelike and they will last forever. Students have received their order forms and brought them home. Roses are selling for $2 each, or we have a deal, $3 for two. Students will select the roses they want on February 14th from a rainbow of gorgeous colors. We are also having an elementary catalog fundraiser. Order forms and money must be returned by February 15th. Students who have sold 7 items during the fall fundraiser or during this fundraiser are invited to a chocolate fountain party on February 28th. Monday, February 21st is a teacher workday, no school for students. The Lake Worth Street Painting Festival is February 26th and 27th. Come join us and see the beautiful artwork created by PBMA students and teachers. Our spring break is March 12th through March 21st. School resumes for students on March 22nd, which is a Tuesday.
Here's a message from our administration.
Hi, elementary parents. This is Mrs. Smith, the elementary principal. I just wanted to let everybody know that we are starting to wrap up our second trimester here at the elementary campus. February 21st is a teacher workday where we will be completing report cards. So please be in contact with your child's teacher to make sure they have completed all of their assignments. Also, re-enrollment packets, as I said earlier, were due on February the 4th. If you have not turned that in, please do so as soon as possible so you can ensure your child has a spot for next year. Thank you. Re-enrollment packets were due on Friday, February 4th. We are now opening up registration to students who are new to PBMA. If you haven't already returned your student's re-enrollment packet, do so as soon as possible before all spots are filled. PBMA is now taking applications for new kindergartners. Children need to turn 5 years old on or before September 1st in order to register for kindergarten. We have scheduled our kindergarten roundup. Kindergarten roundup is an orientation into kindergarten. Roundup will take place on Thursday, April 21st at 6 p.m. at the elementary campus. February is Black History Month. To celebrate, we had a bulletin board contest at the elementary campus. Ms. Calvoni's class won for grades K through 2, and Ms. Kiernan's class won for grades 3 to 5. Let's see all the beautiful bulletin boards. Ms. Mitchell's World Geography class developed propaganda posters based on the view of different sides. One student created a newspaper ad from the view of the Japanese the day after Pearl Harbor. He even wrote part of it in Japanese. 6th graders went on a field trip to Busch Wildlife Sanctuary. The students were able to see all the native Florida animals that are being rehabilitated. Let's take a look.
Ai kama'aina, ai ika ono, ai ika shua a. Shua a hua moa, shua a musubi, shua a kalua ia. Holo holo maua ika hua kai, ho'a makaka ika holo ai, ho olu olu ika opu hololi. Hemo ike kini shua a. Holo holo maua ika hua kai, ho'a makaka ika holo ai, ho olu olu ika opu hololi. Ike kini shua a. Ai kama'aina, ai ika ono, ai ika shua a. Shua a hua moa, shua a musubi, shua a kalua ia. Komo maua ika pi'olani paka, puka mai ka la'i kai manahila au au kai. Ahua moa, aina kakahiaka. Holo ana maua I ka paholo no ho'ona.
Congratulations to Ms. Owens, our elementary teacher of the month. Ms. Owens is a great team player and is always willing to help wherever needed. Ms. Owens will do anything and everything for her students.
And now it's time for Sharks of the Month.
Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Smith, and this is Mrs. Cooper's Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.